one.
Renuvion J Plasma, great piece of equipment. It works. It's always worked. The J Plasma and the Vaser are probably the best two pieces of equipment, the weapons against lipo there have been. The prices are going down. So if you're looking to really buy one and you want to get a Vaser, a Renuvion, a Micro-Air, a power chair, a light, a stool, a package, call the Doctor's Toy Store. We buy, sell, repair, and we'll even take your trades if you're out of, you want to trade an old car or something. Call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877-DRS Toys. We also repair the hand pieces and the units themselves. 877-DRS Toys, call today.